This is Teacher G. Make sure that you are in a comfortable place. Get your modules, your answer sheet, and your pen ready because we are about to begin our lesson. In this part, you are expected to identify the letters of the alphabet, exhibit phonological awareness, and blend letters to produce words and sounds. Try this by reading the letters of the English alphabet with correct phonemes or sounds. Let's begin by reading the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A sounds A, E sounds E, I sounds E, O sounds O, U sounds A. In English, it has A sound. It's your turn. That's great, kids. Now, let's read the consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. The B sounds B. C sounds K. D sounds D. F sounds F. G sounds G. H sounds H. J sounds J. K sounds K. L sounds L. M sounds M. N sounds N. P sounds P. Q sounds Q. R sounds R. S sounds S. T sounds T. V sounds V. W sounds W. X sounds X. Y sounds Y. The Z sounds Z. It's your turn. Wow, you're getting good at this. Let's read the following consonant-vowel-consonant CVC words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sat, fat, cat. Pin, kin, bin. Pet, nat, jet. Hot, pot, dot. Bud, mud, cad. Well done, kids. Learning test number 1. Copy this in your answer sheet. Write the missing vowel in each word. Number 1. Look at the picture. What is that? What is the missing vowel? How about number 2? 3, 4, 5. Let's answer. Number 1. What's in the picture? It's a dog. Yes, so the missing letter is letter O. That's correct. 2. The picture is a picture of a pig. So the missing letter is letter I. Excellent. How about number 3? It's a picture of a bus. Yes, that's correct. So the missing letter is letter U. Number 4, it's a picture of a sun. So what is the missing letter? Yes, it's letter U. Sun. Number 5, it's number 10. So the missing letter is letter E. That's correct. Good job, kids. Learning test number 2. Read the poem carefully and answer the questions that follow. Hot pot. Ben ran fast to Aling Pot. Ben cried and sat on her lap. Ben pointed to the hot pot near the log. What is the initial sound of the word run? A, R, B, A, or C, N? What do you think is the answer? 2. What is the final sound of the word hot pot? Is it A, O, B, H, C, T? The word sat has blank phonemes. A, 2, B, 1, C, 3. 4. Which of the following words starts with a vowel? A, art, B, man, C, red. 5. Which word has a final G sound? A, sad, B, log, letter C, wax. Let's answer together. Number 1. The initial sound of the word ran is, yes, letter A, R. 2. What is the final sound of the word hot pot? The correct answer is letter C, T. The word sat has how many phonemes? 3, S, A, T. So the correct answer is letter C, 3. 4. Which of the following word starts with a vowel? The correct answer is A, art. Letter A is a vowel, so the correct answer is letter A. What is your answer for number 5? Which word has a final G sound? It's letter B, log. Great job, kids! Here are some examples of blended phonemes. Grid, grip, grand, great, greet. shell, shirt, show, shack, shoe, cheek, chunk, chart, check, church, drop, drip, drink, drum, dry. It's your turn. Great job, kids! Learning test number 3. Copy this in your answer sheet. Encircle the correct initial blended letter for each picture. Look at number 1. What's in the picture? What is the initial blended letter for this picture? How about 2? What's that? 3, 4, and last, look at number 5. Let's see if you got the correct answer. Well done, kids! Learning test number 4. Arrange the jumbled letters to identify the object in each box. Write your answers in your answer sheet. Let's answer now. Number 1. Look at the picture. What is that? It's a car. 2. It's a box. 3. It's a cat. 4. It's a star. Yes, it's a star. 5. It's a frog. Do we have the same answers? Very nice. Learning test number 5. Form 3 rhyming words for each set by changing the first letter of the given word with the letters below. Write your answers in your answer sheet. Let's read the 3 words that we formed out of the word van. Pen, man, ten. The 3 words that we formed out of the word jet are set, net, pet. From the word fag, we formed the 3 words log, hog, dog. From the word dip, we formed the 3 words sip, lip, tip. While from the word tag, we formed the words mug, bug, and jug. Look at your work. Do we have the same answers? Well done! The English alphabet is composed of 5 vowels and 21 consonants. These consonants and or vowels, when combined, can form a word. Words are composed of multiple letters and phonemes. Learning test number 6. Supply the missing word to complete the poem. Write your answers in your answer sheet. Look at the poem. The pictures serve as clues. Let's read the poem together with your correct answer. God loves me. I love the morning sunshine, the trees and the morning breeze. I love my eyes, my nose and my lips. And I love God because He gave everything to me. Well done, kids. We're done with our lesson today. Till next time. Take care always. Bye.